Yo guys, what's going on? Hope all is well. Today is December 8th, 2023. I'm in a town called Irvington, New York, in Westchester County. I'm going to, it just says no heat. And I guess after Con Edison was there, which is like the electric company, or the gas and power company around here, after they were there, there's no heat, which I don't know what that means, but let's go see what it is. Today's like 60 degrees outside, and it's perfect out. That's all I know. Let's check it out. So real quick, before I go to this house, I graduated high school in 1997, which is a long time ago. It was like 2 lifetimes ago. But I moved to this town right after high school. My mother moved here when I was in high school, and I had some roommates in high school, and then boom, moved here 98. So this is, like I said, this is Irvington, New York. Every time I come back here, I kind of like to go down to this water right here, this is like Main Street in this town. And then you have the Hudson River right here, which across the Tappan Zee Bridge, some might call it something different, but it's a Tappan Zee Bridge to me. And across there you have Rockland County, New York, and then you have New Jersey. So, I don't know, I'm gonna take you right down here to the water. It's pretty nice. What up? So right here is the Hudson River. Henry Hudson right there. Boom. Boom to the boom to the boom boom. Yeah, it looks like the power's still off probably. I mean, maybe that's why you have no heat, buddy boy. Let's see what this is all about. Alright, so I've been to this house before. Some Infinities, but this isn't going to be our gas issue, I know that. Alright, let's go check out. Let me go meet the homeowner, see what she's talking about. What party can you go to? How you been? What's going on?
So I'm drinking tea outside. Like, Con Ed is doing a bunch of stuff.
I just asked the cop if anything was wrong. He said he doesn't think so.
It is.
All right.
Yeah. So we have no heat or hot water.
Okay.
So they turned off everything yesterday, which they told us about, and then they were supposed to turn it on like yesterday at 4 o'clock. And when the guy came to turn everything back on,
Nothing worked.
we have like the stove works.
Okay.
And the dryer, but
And they're both gas.
yeah.
Okay.
And so,
They
but
may be on blackout. Let me check.
yes, so he said that they were supposed to do something with the boiler before he
Turned it off, maybe. Okay. So let's check it out.
All right, yeah.
How you guys been? Good?
Good.
All right. So she said they had their gas was turned off in the street, and they were supposed to be proactive and turn off their appliances first. But let me see what we have going on here. What party can you go to? All right. Look at this big boy. This boy's bad. All right, that's why they have no hot water. Okay, so you have storage tank. Okay, so it's just going to be a boiler issue. What party can you go to? I don't think that's going to work on this system. You don't need that on this system. Blocking error. What party can you go to? All right, let's look for our power coming in, right? And then we can start there. Reset. All right, let's let this start up. This is starting now. We'll make sure they get hot water before I leave and heat. Well, they have all those heat pumps, but I think they are hydro units too. So this thing's like 100 something gallons, I think. Yeah, so they have hydro coils everywhere throughout the house. Love it. Oh, that'll do it. That's for the heat pump hydro. Anytime. All right. Yeah, so it's 58 throughout the whole house. I don't know why they have all their heat off. I'd at least have the heat pumps on, right? Yeah, hydro. Heat pump. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, good. Starting to heat up. Nice boiler, though. It really is. It's getting warm real quick. Yeah, buddy boy. I'm going to update all the software too, okay? Hot. Hot. Warm. Hot. Hot. Warm. Hot. Hot. Very hot. My returns. It's good money here. Good stuff. Butte. Got a quarter tank of gas in my new E-Class. But that's alright, cause I'm still fly. So this house was from like the Rockefellers. There's an underground racquetball court in this place. Or not underground, but in the basement. Full racquetball court. It's pretty crazy. Domestic hot water right here. This guy. It's from when it cooled down. It's all nice and hot now. I hit my head on that before. And I'm short. I'm like 5'8", 5'7", tops. Supply. I love that Jingle Bell stuff. Yeah, she's good money here. You want to turn on your heat? You're good. That's awesome. I love that. That's the best right there. God bless you guys. Take it easy, okay? No, that's awesome. I love it. Tell him good job. He's the best. I love that. His name's Gus, right?
No, that's why.
Oh, that's why.
Gussie's next door.
All right. They're both cute.
Teddy's at Chess Club.
All right. Take it easy, dear. Have a good day. Chess Club. That's awesome. That was just simple. So the gas company, which I'll show you next, turned off the gas yesterday. Did some work, whatever. And they didn't shut off their appliances, which are the water heater and the boiler. So the gas had basically air in the line, so they needed to reset it a couple times in order to get the gas to come through. But they're good. Probably why they turned the gas off yesterday. If I could zoom into this. Yeah, right there. So that's cool. River again. So that train station right there, this is actually Ardsley, where I am. In Irvington, where I showed you before. But the movie Unfaithful, which is one of my favorite movies with Diane Lane, Richard Gere, I think that was the train station they were in and out of all the time in that movie. Is it? It's nice though right here, right? I think so. But like I said, that's New Jersey, a little like probably 10 miles in the highway, because you still have Rockland County right there. And then you're good. But yo, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great weekend. I know New York, Connecticut, New Jersey is going to be like 60 degrees this weekend, even though it's going to rain on Sunday, but I'll take it. Even though I like the winter. All right, thank you for watching. Take care.